AUAV is an award-winning and ISO-certified drone services company, operating throughout Australia and the Pacific region. We provide high-quality mapping and asset inspection data using a wide range of drone systems and related technologies. With qualified surveyors, civil engineers and drafters on staff, we have a deep understanding of aerial survey and 3D modelling data, with in-house data processing and quality control systems to ensure repeatable and accurate results. Our fixed-wing drones can cover large areas, and our staff are trained for working in remote locations and challenging conditions, including dealing with our feathered friends. Drones have transformed asset inspection, improving efficiency and reducing risk by keeping everyone safely on the ground with an archival record for comparison between inspections. We've developed our own online software platform for this data, so it can be easily and securely viewed by all stakeholders within the context of a global GIS viewer, including the ability to overlay other data sources or visualize proposed designs in situ for better understanding, faster decision-making, and to monitor throughout construction to ensure everything stays on track. Insight is fully customizable to specific needs, such as the work we've done for our telco clients and the power industry. AUAV has developed a unique capability in capturing power infrastructure as a combined survey, asset inspection, and vegetation management dataset, including 3D model, linked photo view, and conductor strings including other line crossings. Sites are shown in full detail when close up and as a simple location pin as you zoom out, showing both the geographic location and fine details of all assets within the same simple interface. We use all sensor types as needed, such as LiDAR, gas sensors, multispectral, and thermal imaging. AUAV can also provide any analysis and reporting services as needed, either in-house or in collaboration with our specialist partners, including cutting-edge AI research. Our 360 panoramas allow people to look around for themselves, making a highly interactive and engaging format. This is the perfect way to show off or explore a project, for site safety inductions, or on a regular basis for construction progress monitoring. We can also provide these indoors for training and site familiarity, as well as condition reporting or as a visual inventory for insurance purposes. Having a complete snapshot both inside and out can avoid the need for multiple teams to visit the site in person. Roof inspections are a common request, and we can manage the condition inspection and reporting for large-scale property portfolios, reducing those down to a smaller number that we highlight as needing attention. We can capture those either as a simple photo set or as a full 3D model in our online viewer to make annotations and measurements easy. Water infrastructure is another of our key sectors, with some of our senior management team coming from that background. Other core sectors for us include coastal survey and geotech, where we provide highly detailed 3D data for cliff, beach, and slope stability. And finally, large area mapping for environmental management. For more information, contact us at auav.com.au.